We're seeing some unusual things creeping into the arena of sports recently. Now, first of all, Jamaican sprint star Shericka Jackson has been nominated by World Athletics for some kind of fair play award for that embrace between herself and Shakira Richardson after the 200-meter event at the World Championships. And then there is one in football, where at the recent Ballon d'Or ceremony, Real Madrid and Brazil star Vinicius Jr. got his special humanitarian award, apparently, for speaking out against racism in football. But you see, for me, sports awards must be won on the field of play. Shericka's award as an athlete should be based on winning races, world titles, and Olympic titles, etc. Similarly, Vinicius should be awarded for creating and scoring goals, winning games, and lifting football titles. These consolation off the field awards are watered down awards, and I think are becoming more prevalent as a subtle way to sneak more political activism into the sporting arenas of the world. And I know that the Maverick now get no award for this, but that's how it goes.